Right, let's have a look at this file. It says here that the police state that every single criminal or anyone who enters in this area mysteriously disappear, and all we found were mysterious sightings of plastic bones, you presume are plastic. Is that correct, Professor Venus? I don't know what you're talking about. My experiments are completely harmless. They're just Venus flytraps. The only thing those things eat are bugs and the occasional pack rat. Don't judge me. Yeah, don't judge you. Should I tell you one thing about these bones you so-called are fake? I took them to our recent lab assistant add-on, Professor Bunsen, and by my close detection to state, but you are lying. Great Caesars of Bentley. Ah! So you're the maniac who fed these innocent people to this monster. I may have not. It is his idea, and with my experiments this monstrosity could take over planet Earth, and soon planet Earth will belong to Mother Nature. You're insane! Maybe insane, but at least this plant will be the ruler of planet Earth. Oh no, is this the end for Johnson? I never knew where that anvil came from, and thanks to that nasty splat from that giant plant, the professor got a nasty case of poisoning, but she will be fine. But soon I will wonder where those heroes or angels saved me.